all brand new. Weld there. You can see underneath here. This right here. Where it got cut. Spliced in right there. All the way over there. I added this extra cross member in here just because. Got some angle iron right there, welded in, brand new. There, brand new plate right there, as you can see. Still got work to do on this side. As you can see the holes. It got plated up, but plated. You can see the hole I got up there in the front. But oh no, it's going pretty damn good. Then you see this side, come out really good. It ain't never gonna break again. And I used to be able to put my hand right through this whole area here. And now I got it all the way up to the solid frame, the front end. Fresh weld. It's still probably hot right now, so I'm not gonna muck with it. But see the hole on the other side there? How it was just gone. It ain't gone no more. Then we got new cross member up here in the front for the trans. Damn light in the way. And you see, trans sits right there in that mount. Still gotta drill some holes and line it all up, but my chalk markings and all that shit. Done. Just reinforced all the way. Still got some welding to do. That's my bad spot right there, the shackle's at, but I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with that. I just gotta get the hardware and we'll be good to go. Let's see, this side, it's not as bad. But, all in all, it's pretty damn solid. It's good to go.